Usually, when you see a fly, it's either buzzing around or standing still while rubbing its front legs together. But aside from the annoying buzzing, why do flies do this? Flies have tiny pads on their legs, coated with an oily substance similar to grease. These pads are crucial because they allow flies to perform many essential tasks. For example, they help flies stand on smooth surfaces like glass or mirrors. Additionally, these pads serve as sensory organs for touch and taste, functioning similarly to a tongue in most animals. The legs themselves also assist in flight. The tiny hairs on their legs act like sensors, providing the fly with precise information about the position of its limbs and its body in space. This helps the fly maintain high maneuverability while flying. Since flies constantly land on dirty surfaces, dust and debris stick to their legs, especially on the pads and fine hairs, because they are coated with a sticky, oily substance. This dirt can completely disrupt the function of their legs, making it harder for them to land on smooth surfaces, taste food, or navigate while flying. So, to keep their legs clean and maintain these essential abilities, flies simply rub them together to remove the dirt and debris. That's all about it. See you in the next video.